Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 67775 right side and 67776 left side rear camber kits. These kits are designed for 1995 to 1998 Nissan 240SX. These rear arms provide an increased amount of camber change on these popular tuner cars. Two arms are required per side and are adjusted together to give the maximum amount of camber change without affecting wheel setback. Stiffer rubber bushing material is used for better handling in performance applications. Please follow all safety precautions when installing these control arms. Start by supporting the vehicle frame and removing the rear tire and wheel assembly. Take a measurement from the fender to the rear center of the hub. Record this measurement for reference. Remove the rearward control arm first. Remove the outer bolt and the inner stock camber adjuster bolt, then remove the arm from the vehicle. Now remove the two bolts holding the forward arm, then remove the arm. With the ends fully threaded into the adjuster, hold both ends and turn the center adjuster until the arm is approximately the same length as the stock arm. Now install the arm into the vehicle using the supplied bolt and nut on the outer end. Do not fully tighten the nuts at this time. For the rearward arm, fully thread the ends and adjuster into the arm. Now hold both ends and rotate the large nut adjuster until the arm is approximately the same length as the stock arm. Install the arm into the vehicle using the supplied bolt and nut on the outer end. Center the stock camber adjuster, but do not tighten the bolts fully at this time. Now raise the hub assembly by placing a jack underneath to load the suspension to normal ride height. Then tighten both control arm retaining bolts. Adjust the camber angle by rotating both adjusters on both arms at the same time. Check setback at the center of the hub and compare it to the measurement taken earlier. After setting camber and checking the setback on the hub, tighten the lock nut on the rearward arm. Now tighten the 2 pinch bolts to lock the adjuster in place. Now tighten both lock nuts on the forward arm. Reinstall tire and wheel assembly, recheck all alignment readings, and road test the vehicle.